How you doing, guys? We are at Grays Point Camp. It was about an hour and a half from where we live, not too far from home, closer to the Virginia Beach area. This is pretty much our setup for the next couple days. It's a nice campground. We got a nice little pull through. We cannot complain. My mom is hanging out with us. Mami, di hola.
Hola.
We don't have fire ring, but I think they allow you to just burn it right on the grass. So, what do you think of the campground, hon?
It's nice.
Yeah, we're about to set up this
Dino trap.
Just acquired this bad boy, so we're gonna test this out. Hopefully it will help. There's some kind of bug out here that's kind of biting. I don't know which one of these it is. Some got a little bite to it. FYI, all you campers out there that don't have tools, for most jobs, all you need is this bad boy right here, a Gerber Suspension NXT. I pretty much renovated houses with this item. So if you get you one of these, you pretty much be set for most things that you might need during camping. Well, I hate the first day because you lose pretty much half the day. First of all, you can't check in until after 2 o'clock in most places, and then by the time you're all set up and chilling and got your red cup going, you know, it's already getting dark. Hopefully we can get my wife out here so we can get some Blackstone footage. What do you say, hon? Can we get some Blackstone footage?
Yeah. I'm about to go out there now.
What's on the menu?
Oh, you already recording?
What's on the menu?
I don't know what's on the menu. I'm just so stressed because I literally had to send a single email with an attachment of a photo. Should have taken me 2 minutes, okay? It took me like an hour and a half. Like, I can't deal.
So we need to invest in a booster.
But we're not even full time.
I know. As much as we can, we might as well.
Like, that was so stressful. Like, I need another drink.
You need one of these, yeah. You need a red cup.
I need an IPA.
Red cup.
Red cup, red cup.
Tell people about the little drawer right here. Little feature we got.
So this camper is actually so cool. There's so many little compartments and storage options available. So one thing that I really like is this little outdoor drawer where we keep all of our Blackstone equipment, which is pretty nice. I'm about to try a new technique. My daughter is really into baking, and she bought this big old thing of vegetable shortening, which she used like one time, and I'm like, can I use that to season the Blackstone? I'm gonna try it. So we'll see how that works out. I've never done this before, so we'll see.
She putting lard on the Blackstone? That's crazy.
I don't even know, like, is lard and shortening the same? I don't
know. So why is it better than like oil or?
No, I didn't say it's better. I just, you know, I would prefer not to use my
organic olive
oil to be doing this.
As you can see, I'm just a eater. I'm not a griller.
All right, so we'll let that do something.
Let it simmer.
Let it simmer. Have I mentioned how much I love the Blackstone?
Yeah, I think everybody knows that.
I think I mention it every single time, right?
Yeah.
Cute. Okay, let me explain something to you. If you don't have a Blackstone, get one. We'll leave a link in the description below because it's life-changing.
I mean, it actually leaves a flavor that you can't get anywhere else. It's weird.
It's weird?
It's a distinct flavor.
Is it?
Yeah, the flavor is called good.
And let me just preface this by saying that I don't typically cook. The only time I cook is
You cook. It's just not as good as when you on the Blackstone. It's different. It's built different.
It hit different?
It hit different.
It hit different when I cook in the house?
Good morning, guys. Just going for our little morning stroll. Our old folk stroll. Gonna check out the river. Pondy River. Pondy River. Yeah, it's chillier than the mug, but we out here. We making it happen.
We finna die. Pneumonia. Death of pneumonia.
Death of pneumonia. So this is one of the water access areas at Grace Point. We're gonna try to document all of them. This is a pretty big campground, so bear with us. This is nice. Very nice.
That's kind of cool.
What is this?
Oh, I think it's a nice fish cleaning station.
Another cool little area to hang out at or to walk. I likes. Basketball court. Very nice. Getting it in?
No,
Go ahead, get on there. Let me see.
I don't want to fall. This is scary.
Hit it. Get it in. Ooh, I'm digging in a little grease.
Some WD-40.
Yeah. What's this one? Bicycle with no seat. Ooh, that's gonna be hard on the arse.
You do this one. You have a flat booty.
Hey, I got a football player ass. There's no resistance though. How do you tighten it? There's no resistance.
That means you can go fast. Is this one just a glide?
Now this one gonna give you a workout right here.
Whoa. We could come here.
Don't
and
look
get
like
it.
much of a workout though.
It doesn't feel like one, but I like it. It's fun.
This thing is fresh. Look at this. Goals.
How long have you had it? All right, so we met up with some friends and we want you to meet them.
You say your name out loud?
Jay.
Sherry.
Jay and Sherry and Cameron.
So we're gonna take a little tour of their RV and their beautiful truck.
And this is their pimped out
Very
F350. Look, goals right here.
nice. Life goals.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So this is a Keystone Passport. How many feet is this?
It's 38 feet. Right
38.
about, yeah.
Is this y'all's first trailer?
It is.
Yeah.
It's our first one.
And y'all like it?
Oh, we love it.
When
The outdoor kitchen, which is a must. That was smart of you guys to get that on your first one.
I see you got the wide axle.
X Shocks. Shout out to you for the X Shock.
Yeah,
The wide one, because I
Yeah.
almost bought the regular one. So
yeah.
yeah,
But
appreciate
it helps when you're inside, all the movement.
it does.
This is cute. Yeah. So our half bath is right here.
Oh, so you have two
have
baths.
that. Two baths.
Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
so she said you walk right into the
Okay.
bathroom.
Right.
This one is
Very
Yeah,
nice.
this counter space too. Oh my God, this is so nice.
Yeah, this is huge.
Amazon.
Oh, okay.
See, they can actually walk across.
Okay.
Oh, because it goes into their bathroom. Oh, okay. So they got an ensuite. But
Yeah.
you said something about a fifth wheel. You want a fifth wheel? This is
I
plenty.
want a fifth wheel because we're thinking about homeschooling, and
Okay.
we want more living space. Fifth wheels you get more
Yeah.
living space. We don't really need.
This is so cute.
We don't really need a bunk room that big. So
Right.
I'm thinking something like with a loft
Okay.
and a bigger living area. 'Cause
Okay.
We spend most of our time like.
You
right
want a
here.
little more space.
A little more space.
Okay.
Yeah.
At the end of last year, it was just there wasn't much inventory.
Right.
There wasn't much out there.
Mm-hmm.
So we
Same with
found
us.
This one.
Mhm.
Found
We
this
found this
one.
one. It
Yeah.
was in my price range.
We found out doppelgangers for real.
I know, it's so weird.
Oh, same thing.
Just
Yeah,
everything is the
Oh,
same.
really?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
So did y'all have the truck before this, or?
We did.
Okay.
Yeah.
We had another truck
Oh, yeah.
that wouldn't tow
black
what we
beast.
wanted it to
Yeah.
tow.
Okay.
Black
So-
beast.
Yeah,
So
it
I
was a
had
black beast.
So I had a Ram 1500, and we, like I told you, we rented some in California.
Oh, right.
One of the experiences was awesome with the Airstream, but the other experience with the toy hauler was
A little scary?
it was scary.
Oh, okay.
So I started doing my research about trucks and
Mm-hmm.
what they can actually tow,
Right.
and the Ram just wasn't going to do what we needed
Right,
to do. So
right.
Oh no, we cringe when we see some cars on the road
yeah,
and F-150s
Yeah.
towing
Yeah.
big old 37 footers.
yeah. What people don't know is you'll run out of payload capacity
Right.
before you
Yeah.
get to the towing capacity.
Exactly.
Real quick.
Don't even focus on towing
Yeah.
capacity. You need to focus on payload capacity and go from there.
And go to the cat scale and
Yeah.
load it up and then check it. Maya, who the best on a grill, me or you? Who the best?
Are you serious?
Who the best on grill? Tell the people for real. Who the best?
I think you know the answer to that.
Who the best on the grill, Maya? Tell me, Maya.
It's me.
When do you ever cook on the grill?
You need to mind your business over there. Go on your iPhone.
It's not working.
Oh, that's why you over here. All in the Kool-Aid. But people know.
Yeah, they know.
We ain't gotta say
They
nothing.
watch our channel, they know. All right, so this is dinner for today. This is how do you say it? Moro.
Mm-hmm.
Moro.
Mm-hmm.
That's the Dominican dish.
What's the
Well,
style of
Spanish.
rice?
A style of rice. Henry's mom made the rice, and then I added some BLACKSTONE chicken and sausage to the rice.
We hanging out, trying
about
out a
this?
buzz ball.
Buzzball.
There you
Buzz
go.
ball chilla.
Good thing we're close by. I don't have to carry you. The crew off this morning to go do some crabbing.
Watch some crabbing. Watch some crabbing.
Watch some crabbing.
You gotta get in there and get dirty, you know?
Who gonna be the first one?
We will.
Lena, is yours tugging?
Yeah, I feel something on there.
Yeah,
Oh, you do? Oh, it's hot.
Pull it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she got one. Ooh, Nat, Nat. Uh-oh. Ooh, he got a good strong grip on that bad boy. How do you do it? Just grab it?
Go down, underneath, scoop up. Go, 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 go!
Oh, we lost it.
Put it down there, he'll come back.
Put it down. So we got to be quicker.
Feel something again.
Oh, you got it again?
Uh-oh.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, something's pulling.
Pull up slowly.
Oh, watch
Get a
out.
little closer.
Get a little closer.
Yeah, I see it.
I don't see it.
I see it.
There you go.
Daddy, ready before the crab goes away.
You gotta go under, like go down,
Now?
underwater, and I want to come up underneath it.
Hurry before it goes.
Ah!
Pressure. Ah,
I want to see it.
all right. Let me see.
Wow.
It's a good size. Not much meat on that though.
I'll show you guys how to hold it if you want.
Yeah.
There's really only one good way to hold them. And it's by their rear fins here.
Whoa, its legs are moving.
So even if you hold them on a shell, you can still grab you here. You can grab you if you touch them there.
Oh.
So the best way to do is hold them by the rear fins here.
Okay.
Wow.
And then this is a female crab. Yeah, so it's got a pyramid on its belly. It's a female. If it's got a long skinny tail, it's a male. So this is a baby female. Yeah, and these are Chesapeake Bay blue crabs. So we'll put him in the bucket for now. He's way too small to keep, but just so kids can look at him and everything.
So the Blackstone makes me feel like I could legit have a food truck.
Let's do it.
I mean, I don't want to do it.
As long as I don't have to be the sous chef.
I don't want a food truck for real. I'm just saying, I feel like I'm capable. If I had, you know, a bigger Blackstone, I could do it.
Your confidence got to be pretty high to compete with food trucks. So Jay over there, our new friend campers, he's over there on his Blackstone.
You're trying to show me out.
I think you got some.
I told him we should have a
competition.
cook-off when we do
I
the
don't
Outer
know.
Banks.
We'll inquire.
Actually, I'm scared. I can't do it. He's a real
Are
cook.
you chickened out already? Wow.
He knows how to cook steak. I don't know how to do that.
Like, have some confidence. Do a good job. Oh
I'll
my
cook
God.
tofu.
You gave up too easily.
I give up.
Nah, we got to build up your confidence again. This looks good. This looks good. I think you can compete.
Okay, we'll see.
Are you done? Yeah. Oh, we missed it.
Something light, you know,
We missed it.
Oh, so you already cleaned up. We were coming to spy on the competition because they want us to battle.
What's in the pan inside? You guys can go check it out, you know, but
No, he hiding his secrets. That's what he doing.
can't divulge.
All right, well, we were talking over there. We were like, all right, since
And
we're
then-
going to meet up again in
Outer Banks.
we could do a
Blackstone
Blackstone challenge.
But then I chickened out already.
Yeah, she already caved, bro. I'm like, are you serious?
I'm
I'm like,
You can cook steak though.
so we got two people that lack confidence over here.
YouTube steak, you know what I'm saying?
So this may not be that interesting, huh? Nah, let's build it up, guys. Some kind of like cuisine that y'all gonna
I want to
try to create to get.
king crab legs.
King crab legs.
Y'all want to do seafood contest? Even though
I don't want to do a contest. I just want to cook together and eat.
Oh man, I'll keep stirring the pot. Don't worry about it. He looks so like, he's looking you lovingly into your eyes. Like a romantic. Look who made an appearance outside the camper. Woo, these are rare, folks.
It's like seeing Bigfoot.
You like that fresh air? Breathe. It's nice, right?
Ella likes it too.
He's like, I enjoy it from that little window right there, right? So that said, we can't camp without other campers anymore. We're spoiled. So every time we go out, we gotta have some fellow campers. But we're gonna meet up again at the Outer Banks. That'll be fun. We gotta get a whole team, a whole group of people. What do y'all think about Grace Point then?
Oh, it's pretty cool.
It's cool?
Nice and quiet.
It's not bad, right? It seems like a family-friendly.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very family friendly. The beach is really pretty.
Yeah.